Hi everybody.
O kurwa, co to się dzieje? Co odpierdala ty gość?
The surveillance camera recorded the whole thing, turning seemingly normal moments into surprising ones. Oh my God, he makes me nervous.
Minut po trzeciej. Im dalej w miasto, tym nie. A wieczorem niespodzianka.
Ja pierdolę.
Chciał kolejnej zmiany przepisów, bo w obecnym prawie widzi lobby.
There it goes.
The giant cargo ship lurched its bow, crashing into the waves as high as a wall of water. What do you think of this scene? Leave us a comment and let us know. Sichuan, China, the peaceful road suddenly shook violently. In the previous video, we witnessed moments when nature got angry, from earthquakes shaking the ground to flash floods sweeping everything away. Wow.
Two, one, go! Give them some encouragement again. We're trying to make it all the way down and back in one shot. Or makes the move down. Give him some encouragement. He's almost back.
A girl took the ball and threw it really hard. Unfortunately, it was too high and broke the lamp above. Wonder what the cat is thinking. Leave a comment what you think about this cat. Wow. The crane was lifting a heavy object when it suddenly shook violently. The car was crushed under the crane. A tree broke the power lines. Hopefully the fire crews will be able to put out the fire quickly.
That's gonna explode.
There was a loud crack as the steel bent and the entire shelf tilted to one side. Cardboard boxes fell like a waterfall, pouring straight into the central aisle of the warehouse. Wow. Yay. A small crack initially appeared on the wall, but within seconds it quickly widened. The dry sound of cracking concrete rang out, causing the entire building to collapse. The hay truck moved slowly, the yellow straw stacked high. As it passed a bend, the truck swayed. The straw started to fall from the top onto the road. The crane at the construction site suddenly tilted when the wind blew strongly, causing workers to flee in all directions. A forklift drove through the narrow aisle piled high with crates. Soon more crates fell over. It looks cute and funny too. Oh my God. A bolt of lightning ripped through the night sky, streaking down onto the land behind the house. The white light seemed to turn the entire area into daytime in an instant. A high-rise apartment building, suddenly water from the roof poured down like a flood. Slow-motion scene water pouring down from the roof.
It's in the middle of the
Oh my God, haha. A man was walking on the slippery ice carrying a bag of groceries after going to the market. He was approaching the door when he suddenly slipped and fell flat on his face right at the front steps.
No. It's indistinguishable from the which is why this is rare.
Sparks and white smoke rose. Lava slowly flowed down, shining like a living river of fire. The sound of cracking echoed throughout the space. The giant ice block shook repeatedly. The iceberg broke off, falling into the rushing water. A small house perched precariously on the side of a mountain. The mud began to slide down, dragging the house down with it.
Oh shit!
If you find the content useful, please like, subscribe to ETC, Incredible Moments channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest videos from us.
Opa! At Indian Hills,
Ngeri. Ngeri, bro.
Please leave a comment so we can discuss and connect more. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue creating quality videos.